Hi, baby doll. Abby. Little Bato. Little Tootsie. Little Brittany. We have Hunter. And Danny. Yeah. How many dogs in one little area can we get? Dog City. Dog City. Bato is fascinated by Hunter. And Hunter's just a little clod, isn't he? He runs you right over. He loves his toys. I think Brittany thinks he's chased just a little bit.